If you think all JBL speakers come from just one country, the real answer is a little more interesting. JBL speakers are made in several places, including China, Mexico, India, Germany, and Hungary. So it is not just a China-only story. China is still a major manufacturing base for JBL, and many consumer products are made there. But not every JBL speaker is made in China. Consumer Bluetooth speakers are commonly linked to China and Vietnam, car audio to Mexico, Pro PA speakers to Hungary and sometimes the US, and some limited high-end hi-fi models to the US. JBL is an American brand. It is owned by Harman International, and Harman is a subsidiary of Samsung. That is also why factory location does not tell the full quality story. Manufacturing happens globally, while engineering, design, and research are handled across many Harman sites. So the simple answer is this: JBL is an American brand with global production. The country of manufacture can vary, but that alone does not define the product quality.